Hello, Battle Creek Classroom 5. This is Miss Savannah. Today we are going to be reading short stories. Little Bird's Surprise by Liza Charleworth. Bump, clunk. Little Bird fell out of the nest. The nest was so high. How would he ever get back home? I know, said Little Bird. I will jump up to the nest. Jump, jump, jump. But that did not work. I know, said Little Bird. I will climb up into the nest. Climb, climb, climb. But that did not work. He begins to cry. He flapped his wings to dry his tears. Flap, flap, flap. What a surprise! Little Bird could fly. Little Bird flew up to the nest. Welcome home, said Mom. You are just in time for dinner. And that's the end of the story. Thank you, friends.